Well, you know us. I'm Jason and that's Beth.
Hi.
And we just can't stop working on things. Now this isn't a repair. This is just, we're taking the Clearsource that we had in the Solitude, and basically we mounted that in pretty close to the same place that we had it on the Solitude. And as soon as Beth moves out of the way here, I will show you what we did. So we had and just mounted it again just to the wall. We have our bypass for when we change out our filters. So that's, you know, now it's in operation mode versus bypass. And then we plumb it up and then we plumb it back. And I'll show you how I did it on the inside. Super simple. This is by far way easier than the Solitude because there's really only 2 valves back there versus the 6 or 8 that are on the Solitude. So this install went really easy. So we'll show you that, and I hope you guys like it. Okay, so I showed you the outside. I just wanted to show you the inside real quick of how we wired this guy, or plumbed this guy. I always do that. So the nice thing is we came out of the stock filter right here and went to this check valve and then here. So basically all I had to do was take this off of the check valve, put a 1/2 inch adapter here to a 3/8 ID, that's inner diameter of this hose. This unfortunately is a 1/2 inch, and that's kind of, whoa, there. Sorry, it's dark in here and I want to try and make sure you can see that. So that's the Apollo Pex fitting, 1/2 inch to 1/2 inch FNPT. Female swivel adapter, and that's this guy right here. It was a little tight getting it on there because it is 3/8, but it worked fine. We're filling the tank right now, as you can hear. So that's what, you know, we came off the outboard side of the Clearsource into this check valve, and then this comes out of the pre-filter that's in there. Super simple, way easier. All right, and this is the inside of our wet bay. Here's that pre-filter I was telling you about, that line comes out of right here and had the 2 twists to the check valve. And that's it. It is super easy. This wet bay only has the 2 valves with the 4 settings on it. So it was way easier than any of the others that we did, especially the Solitude. So again, if you guys like this type of videos on the kind of how-dos and walk-you-throughs, don't forget to subscribe and hit that thumb. And thanks again, guys. We appreciate it. We always enjoy the time that you guys take to watch our videos. It's pretty humbling. So have a great day. We'll see you guys next week. Appreciate it. Bye-bye.